Hello friends, welcome to my channel Hers the Tech Guy. Today I am going to show you how you can overclock your GPU. So to overclock your GPU, you need a third-party software that is MSI Afterburner. So to download this, go to this website and download MSI Afterburner. So I have already downloaded and installed, so I will just open it. So this is the UI of MSI Afterburner. So to overclock your GPU, make sure that your GPU is listed here. If not, just click on this settings icon and here select your dedicated GPU. For me, it is RTX 3050. Hit apply and OK. So now, to overclock the GPU, we are going to play with these two faders, that is core clock and memory clock. So we will increase the core clock by 10 and the memory clock by 100. So by doing this, press this check button. Now go and play the game. If your game doesn't crash, then come back again to MSI Afterburner and again increase the core clock by 10, means that is 20, and memory clock by 200. And again hit the check button, again play the game. If your game doesn't crash, then again come here and do this process until your game start to crash. So for my Nvidia GeForce RTX 3050 laptop, the sweet spot is for core clock is 185 and the memory clock is 2000. So if I go beyond this, my game start to crash. By applying these settings, your gaming performance will increase and you will see the difference in FPS. So if you want to apply these settings on boot, go here and just click on this window icon. But there is a warning. Please don't overdo these things because it will give you boot loop. You can use this MSI Afterburner to overclock any Nvidia or AMD GPU, but make sure that you have a dedicated GPU. It will not work on Intel HD graphic. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.